Hey guys, we specialize on this water wave lace wig. It is a 4x4 closure wig. Of course, we can make it like 13x4 closure wig. This is the water wave wig we make for our customer. And I would like you guys to guess how many grams for this wig. Let me shake the wig for you. And you can compare our wigs to other online store vendors when they shake the wigs like how I'm shaking it. So you can guess how many grams for this wig. I will show you later. So you see this beautiful texture. It's very nice. And after you spray some water on the hair, it's which become a little bit looser but very perfect. I love this texture. And for of course we ship this type of bundles, this texture of the bundles and the closure and frontal every day a lot, because a lot of customers will buy this texture. It's very nice and it can last very long time. Very definitely will last very long time. This one. It's soft. It is soft. So you see. So I will show you the. This is a cone structure for the wig cap. The cone structure for the wig cap. Now we have upgraded our artwork. When we saw the hair on the wig cap, it's very comfortable, very comfortable. I think it's much better than other vendors' wig. When you hold the wig, you will feel the volume. Definitely, you will feel the volume is very heavy for this, because it's customized. It's more than 400 grams. More than 400 grams. I will show you later with scalp. This one. So see this texture. So it's 100% cuticle line. 100% cuticle line. The hair texture, the color is very pure. It's very healthy, very healthy from the young people, from young people's hair. I will show you the waist now. See. I will firstly grab this one, and I will drop it into a net because I want to show you the weight is now is 0 gram. So let me, you see, I just let it go. You see, I let it go. You see my hand here, 456. I just let it go, and you see the grams. It's very heavy because some people they just like volume weight. This one. And sometimes some customer we ask, always I ask why your wig is higher price than other vendors wig. So now you know why, because we put more hair, and of course our hair quality is very good, very good. You can do colors, perfect. This is 100% virgin hair. This wig. This is the, we call it water wave. This, because after you spray the water, it's very perfect. So now
Lines, oh, there's a thing